Hello, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. It's nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Daniel. What's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. I grew up in Melbourne. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. I live in Barcelona.
Barcelona is a beautiful city. I've seen many pictures of it online.
Yes, it really is. The city is famous for its architecture, beaches, and lively culture.
I would love to visit Barcelona someday.
You definitely should. There are many interesting places to see, and the food is amazing.
That sounds great. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
What do you do?
I work as a software developer. I design computer programs and applications for companies. What about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a language school.
That sounds like a very meaningful job. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I really enjoy helping students improve their English and gain confidence when they speak.
That's wonderful. Teaching can make a big difference in people's lives.
What do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I like playing basketball, watching movies, and sometimes playing video games. What about you?
I enjoy reading books, painting, and going for long walks in the park.
That sounds relaxing. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. I usually drink a cup every morning.
Me too. Coffee helps me feel more awake and ready for work. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple. What about you?
My favorite color is green.
Where do you live now?
I live in a small apartment near the city center.
I live in a quiet neighborhood near a park. It's a peaceful place.
That sounds lovely. What time is it now?
It's about 3 in the afternoon.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
That's cute. I have a dog named Max.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm single. What about you?
I'm single as well.
What's your hobby?
I really enjoy photography. I like taking pictures of landscapes and city streets.
That's interesting. I enjoy painting landscapes.
That's creative. Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive. I got my license a few years ago. I can drive as well.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I listen to it almost every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock music.
I enjoy jazz and classical music.
Are you tired today?
No, I'm feeling fine. I had a good night's sleep.
That's good to hear.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
I have 2 brothers.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. What about you?
I love grilled chicken and rice.
What did you have for breakfast today?
I had toast, eggs, and coffee.
I had yogurt and fruit.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing tennis.
I like basketball and swimming.
Can you swim?
Yes, I learned how to swim when I was a child.
I can swim too, but I'm not very fast.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually read a book or watch a movie.
Sometimes I work on personal projects or talk with friends online.
Are you hungry right now?
A little bit. I might have dinner soon.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
That's perfect weather for going outside.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish and a little French.
I speak English and a little Japanese.
That's impressive. Learning languages can be very useful.
Yes, it helps people communicate with others from different countries.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate ice cream.
My favorite dessert is cheesecake.
Do you prefer mornings or nights?
I'm definitely a morning person.
I feel more productive at night.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I enjoy cycling on weekends.
I sometimes ride my bicycle in the park.
Do you watch TV often?
Not very often, but I sometimes watch documentaries.
I usually watch sports or movies.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10:30.
I go to bed around 11.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love swimming and relaxing by the sea.
I enjoy walking along the beach and watching the sunset.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend's name is Alex.
My best friend's name is Maria.
What's your favorite time of the day?
I love early mornings because everything feels peaceful.
I enjoy evenings because it's time to relax after work.
How do you get to work?
I usually drive my car.
I take the subway.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Interstellar.
I really like The Matrix.
How often do you exercise?
About 3 times a week.
I try to exercise almost every day.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
I play the piano.
What time do you wake up?
Around 6:30 in the morning.
Around 7 for me.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like meeting friends and visiting new cafes.
I usually go hiking or watch movies.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Italy and Thailand.
I visited France and Germany.
Traveling helps people understand different cultures.
I completely agree.
What are your long-term goals?
I would like to open my own art studio someday.
That's a great goal. I want to start my own technology company.
That sounds exciting.
What motivates you to achieve your goals?
I remind myself of my dreams and work step by step toward them.
That's a very positive mindset.
I believe learning and improving every day is important.
I agree. Continuous learning helps people grow personally and professionally.
Well, this has been a really enjoyable conversation.
Yes, I enjoyed talking with you very much.
Hopefully, we can talk again sometime.
That'd be great.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.